Welcome to all my subscribers and new readers. Today I am going to tell an interesting story for you. A poor boy. Once upon a time, there was a little poor boy. When he was born, his father lost his well-paid job and turned jobless. The family was happy with the newborn baby. Slowly the boy started growing up in the warmth love of his father and mother. His father got a new job soon. Just as he was reaching the age of 3, a new baby born up in the family. This time, it was his sister. No need to say, his father again lost his job. Such was their misery. At times, it was hard to feed even a small family of 4 in the meager amount of income. There were days when it was very hard to maintain the regular needs. But his parents ensured that both the kids get proper education. They worked very hard so that they could fill their school fee and manage other needs. There were days when his father slept hungry in the night but made sure that the boy gets his 3 times meal properly. His mother worked from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. a lot of days, just to save some money for the future of her children. They had a lot of faith in the little poor boy. The boy, on the other hand, was sharp-minded. He grew up observing his family and their condition. Though he was very poor and little, but he was very ambitious from his childhood. The first dream he used to wake up with every morning was that, one day he would change everything. Their poor financial condition and other miseries. Deeply rooted with his faith in God, he was full of positive energy. He knew his goals, he knew his plans. Slowly and steady he was treading on the path to his aim. He passed his schools with excellent marks and joined an engineering college. There too he made a lot of friends, a good reputation among professors, and he was good in academic and extracurricular performance too. He is now in 2nd year of his college, but he doesn't know how he will complete the next 2 years there. How his family will fill all the fees and expenses. Because as time passes, the burden increases. He is sure of his academics, he is sure of his excellence, but there is no surety how his father or mother will finance his rest of education. How much his mother has to suffer, he doesn't know about it. You know one thing, I am that little poor boy. I often remember my father saying to me, that, just few more years, then my son will earn and I will retire then. I want that day to be the happiest day of my life, when I will fulfill all those unfulfilled dreams of my parents. They have done a lot for me, now I want to do something for them. I am not rich with money, but I am rich from my heart. I am rich in positive thoughts. And I am rich through my God who looks after me, cares for me and constantly remains with me. I know what I am, how I am, and what I will be. One more thing, there is no Pia in my actual life. It was just my imaginary escapade to improve my writing sense. No girl with such name ever existed in my life. In reality, I have just one Pia, means love, and he is my God. He is my everything. I am happy with him. Early in the morning, when I wake up, I take my bath and sit down in a serene environment. Then I apply a simple sandalwood tilak on my forehead with a dotted kumkum in the middle. A lot of people who see me with my tilak think that I belong to a priest's family. But there is no such thing. The U-shaped tilak means the lovely feet of my Lord, and the red kumkum dot signifies me serving my love, my God. After that I close my eyes and look at his eyes, then I admire his tilak and adore his face. I bathe him, then walk with him. And then I serve him the fresh breakfast. All in the mind's eyes. Later I pray unto him to bless my parents and everyone upon this earth. He responses and he smiles. I open my eyes to the world again and begin my activities with a new vigor and enthusiasm. Wherever I go, wherever I am, You can always find me with my God.